The newest, boundless beauty of Binibining Baler 2022 will be crowned tonight, and the challenging task of choosing the winner will fall on the shoulders of these esteemed panel of judges. Let us meet them, beginning with Judge number 1 is this year's Philippine representative to Mr. Global Pageant in Thailand. Please all welcome Mr. Global Philippines 2022, Mr. Mark Aventaño. Judge is the reigning Binibining 2022, the provincial pageant of Tarlac. She represented Tarlac province in the recent Binibining Pilipinas 2022 pageant, where she emerged as one of the top 12 finalists. Please welcome Miss Jasmine Omay. Judge is a native of Misamis Oriental who finished as first runner-up in the 2022 Miss Universe Philippines pageant. Let us all give a warm Baler welcome to Miss Annabelle McDonald. Is the recent winner of Mr. International Philippines pageant and is set to be the host delegate to the 14th Mr. International pageant in Manila, Philippines. Say hello to Mr. International Philippines 2022, Mr. MJ Ordeliano. But certainly not the least is the Philippine pageantry icon who beautifully represented the Philippines in Miss Universe 2021 pageant in Israel and placed as one of the top 5 finalists, Baler.